Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make an infrared LED pen for the Wii whiteboard project. Let's start with the materials you'll need for your pen. You'll obviously need an infrared LED rated for about 1.5 volts. You'll need an Expo or other large marker. I like Expo because it's dry erase, so that everything isn't covered in like Sharpie ink, which is permanent. You'll need a battery, AA or AAA, should work fine. You'll need some wire. You'll need an electric push button switch. Pardon my spelling. And last, you'll need either some electrical tape. Actually, you'll need both electrical tape, and if you feel like it, now you can also use some solder to make the electric connections. So, to start, what you'll have to do is you'll have to take all the parts out of the inside of the pen. The pen consists of two parts, basically. There's your felt tip, which is the part that you write with, and then on the inside of the pen, there's the ink source, which is just a long, thick, black cylinder that's filled with ink. You can toss this, and of course, if you use a pair of pliers and pull really hard, you can pull out the felt tip. So what you should be left with in the end is just the empty shell of your Expo pen. I'm going to make this really big so we can see inside it. So once the pen is empty, cut a hole in the side of the pen where you're going to have your switch. Before you put the pen together, I would recommend making sure that all the pieces work. Don't forget that LEDs are polar, so there's one side that's positive, one side that's negative. Make sure that you connect them beforehand to know which is which. Then, once you figure that out, all you need to do is set up your switch so that you have it on when you push the button down and off when you let go. Run one wire from the switch to the top and one wire to the switch from the switch to the bottom. Then take another wire and run it through the entire length of the pen. This side is going to end up going to your LED, and this side is going to eventually connect to your battery. Once you have your connections all set, you can wrap everything up with electrical tape and shove them back inside your pen to make it nice and concise and pretty. Put the cap back on here to keep everything enclosed. You may have to put a little electrical tape around the LED to make it fit snugly into the cap. Other than that, it should fit pretty well. Here you can see the pen that I made. Here's the switch. Everything, like I said, just fits into the cap here. And take off the lid. Here you have your LED. And the interesting thing about infrared is that you can actually only see it when you have a camera on it. So you can use this LED pen for the Wii project, the Wii whiteboard project, and it works pretty well. Good luck.